various changes in the past, specifically the past 5 or 6 years. We've of course gone past an amazing golden period, the golden age of the 50s. 60s and 70s of course had their own stories to tell. We took a big dip in the 80s and we're still fighting the onslaught of the terrible 80s, but we have emerged with a younger influx of filmmakers, younger ideologies, younger thoughts. The year 2006 has been absolutely amazing for Indian cinema, with all kinds of films, all kinds of genres being made and have worked tremendously. I think the poignant Munnabhai, which was entertaining as well as thought-provoking, the generation awakening, Basanti, the brilliant Shakespearean adaptation, Omkara, and many, many others that broke ground. Mine, of course, broke a few marriages, but we'll talk about that later. We are here with a tremendous panel, very, very talented filmmakers, actors, and of course, Our Lady from Pakistan, who I will introduce a little later. I'm going to start with Suchir Batra. Suchir Batra is joined the William Morris Agency. He was an agent in the training program in February 2004. As an agent in William Morris Consulting, he works with corporate clients such as General Motors, Crystal Cruises, Chelsea Football. Additionally, Suchir represents clients such as the renowned Indian filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali and the NFL legend Jerry Rice. Suchir has also practiced corporate law and litigation in the San Francisco Bay Area, and we'd love to hear his thoughts about the new aesthetics of popular mainstream cinema. And let's hear. Please give Suchir Batra a round of applause, and we'd love to hear what he's going to tell us, because it may be a relative outside perspective, but will be an interesting corporate perspective. So Suchir, it's all yours.
I've heard about frames for so long, and just to come here now and finally be a part of it and see the level of activity and the excitement around it really underscores and represents what's going on in the...
Thank you for telling us about the back to our cinema with the international branding and the integration of the two worlds. Thank you very much for your thoughts. Now, our next speaker is very, very versatile. He does almost as many things as I do actually. And his excellence on celluloid. He has his roots in theatre though, which is always a wonderful thing, and I'm sure Anupam will support that. His versatility extends to his humanitarian efforts as well. He has, he runs an NGO called the Foundation, which provides education to children. He's also been a director. He's written and directed his first feature film, Everyone Says I'm Fine, where he won an honorable mention, the John Schlesinger Award for Best Debut Feature at the Palm Springs International Festival in 2003. The film also garnered a Gold Award at the World Fest, Houston. So he, I'm sure, has a tremendous point of view on the new aesthetics of popular cinema. We have heard his comments before in the media and, of course, on television, and I'm sure he'll make very interesting viewing here today at FICCI.